Let's get started. History of charts. This is René Descartes. You probably heard of him. His famous words, I think, therefore I am. No? He was a French philosopher, mathematician, and scientist. But what we really care about him, just to know, because it's good to know the origin of things, is this baby right here, the Cartesian plane. No? If you heard of it before, great. If not, let's go through it together very quickly. It actually has quite a funny story behind it, no? It's a legend. We don't know if it's true or not, but legend says he was looking at a fly on the ceiling and he wanted to describe the position of this fly in reference to something else, no? And that's how he came up with the idea of building the Cartesian coordinates. So how is it built? Easy. Look, this is our x and y axis we already know, right? So now, instead of just being positive, it's negative also. So this side of the x-axis, it's positive, and this side represents negative numbers in the x. And this, in our y-axis, is the positive side, and this one is the negative side of our y-axis. Now, look, when the fly says, you can find me at minus 2.3, easy. The first value, it's x, second value, it's y. So minus 2x plus 3y. So I go to my x-axis, this is my 0 point, no? Minus 1, minus 2, there you go. And then the 3, okay, 1, 2, 3, no? Then I join the two lines together and I find my point. And now I know where is the fly located in reference to the center point right here. Now, thanks to him, like math changed forever, also geometric sciences. Look, algebra, calculus, a lot of things are their foundation built on this, right? Because now you can describe shapes, you can describe the location of something, you can precisely describe the measures of a triangle, you know, and be more precise about it. And look, everything in modern science gets built based on this, GPS coordinates, drawing in Photoshop, you know, it all starts from something so simple like this, okay? Great. Then, our second relevant history character we want to study is William Playfair. No? Look, this guy, it's very hard to describe. He was Scottish and he had like 200 different professions, okay? I just put a few of them right here, political economist, engineer, blah, blah. But he was also a secret agent. And if somebody understood the importance of money, it's him. Because when he was a secret agent for the war, right, during the war with Great Britain and France, no? When he was a secret agent, he created a plan to counterfeit, to make fake currency of the French currency and collapse it. Once we get to lesson 3, you're going to understand why this is possible, because the supply and demand can actually drive the prices of things up and down. We're going to study in depth, and don't worry, leave it for now. But what I'm trying to say is that this guy understood the importance of money. He tried to collapse the currency of another country by printing fake money. You know, he was a real life badass. But the most important point from him is this one. He's the creator of the line, the bar, area, and pie charts, okay, which we still use nowadays, and they're quite useful. We see them in Microsoft Excel every day, and we don't care about them, but in trading, they're quite important. And this is the charts. Look, we have the line chart, which you already see. We have seen together. It's built from the data table. Same with the area chart. It's the same as a line chart. It just has this area filled up, right? Then we have our bar chart, also the same, built from a data table. You have one point that is X and one point that is Y. They join them together and they draw a little bar on it, no? And you have a pie chart, which is built on a circular shape. We're going to study each one of them and how are they useful to us. And don't worry, be patient. As I told you, this is just a very basic introduction to get to know all the basic concepts. We are just about to get to candlesticks. Be patient. See you soon.